Hello, Shakil speaking. Welcome to another tutorial, and this is also a MERN stack and with RTK query, data fetching with RTK query. So let's see what is RTK query. RTK query is a powerful data fetching tool. It is the data fetching tool, and it has a lot of built-in uh, good features or quality, like Axios, far more better than Axios or Face API. Okay, so what's the benefit it is providing to us? Say it has the mutation features, query status, conditional fetching, error handling, pooling, perfection, and a lot of features. So I will let you know everything as we go along, and let's dive into the deep. So first of all, create the setup. Okay, so creating a folder, say MERN Stack RTK query. CD MERN Stack RTK query code. Okay, then first of all create two folder. One is server and another one is client. Okay, React RTK query and MERN stack. So it will be a CRUD operation like create, read, delete, and update. So all the features will be covered, and in the backend we'll use Express, MongoDB, Node, and Express. And in the client side we will use React with RTK query. Okay, so let's create the server first. So let's go to the terminal, and you have to have the Node.js Node version be installed in your machine, and npm npm yeah. So if you don't have Node.js, go to the official website and download it. It's plug and play, very easy. So now go to the server and create npm init the Express server. Okay, initialize Express server. Npm init y. We're giving y flag is because we want to avoid some answering some questions. Okay, and in the package.json and create another file that is index.js. This is the root file, and index.js say import express from express, and you have to have install the necessary dependencies. Say npm install express nodemon to concurrently run our server, nodemon.env to include the env file by process.env, express nodemon.env, and mongoose. Okay, and by this time make your index file ready or package.some, and you have to give it start, or you can say dep start or dep development to run the server nodemon. So what nodemon is doing here, say nodemon is concurrently run our server. If any changes take place, we will see our changes over here instantly. We need to restart the server many more times once again. Okay, so package.json nodemon. So in the index file, make the server up and running. Okay, so this is const app equal to express typo express, and we need another file import .env from .env. This is for environment variable. So .env .config. Okay, and we need what we need. We need to listen our server. App.listen. App.listen equal to port. We need to declare the port variable. So const port equal to process .env port, or by default it will run 7000. So along with that we need to create a env variable, env, and another one is git ignore to ignore of some files, git ignore. Okay, and .env, give it port equal to 8000, and in git ignore file ignore node modules, and another is .env file. Okay, so let's go to index file once again and give it a callback function and say console.log, give it a template literal server is running on port. Okay, I hope everything is all right. Save it and let's go to server and save. Fail to save package.json. The component of the file is newer. Please compare the version of the content. Overwrite the content. Overwrite. So our dependencies are not popping out over here. So let's install it once again. Okay. npm install express node mon.env mongoose. So right now this is enough. If you need it more, we will include it later as we go on. Nodemon, if any typo or errors, it will not do its work perfectly. Okay, yeah, it's popping up. So everything is all right. Let's start the server. npm not start dep, because we are giving dep over here. You see, this is dep nodemon index.js. npm run dev is the dep package script. Do you mean dep? Is dep creating problem? No problem. Give it a start. So clear npm start. So what's wrong? Cannot import. It's a problem of import and export. ES module and common JS module. So to solve this problem, what you need to do, you have to declare type module over here. Okay, type module. This time it will be okay. Port is not defined. Port is not defined. I have defined, but maybe I have not saved it. Port is not defined. So where is the problem? Port. Oh, sorry. This should be not port. This should be port. This port, variable port, and the env port is coming from the env.env variable. This time it's okay. Okay. So our app is running, up and running. So this is all right. So in the next tutorial, we are connecting MongoDB course and everything. As we go along, we will include the necessary dependencies. So if you like the video, it will be a wonderful journey. This is the full stack card operation with React and RTK query. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. This will be a wonderful journey. And give me a big thumbs up. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon.